Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel, and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make palm nut soup, locally called ABENKWAN, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share if you like this recipe. So let's get started. So for my ingredients, I have here red snapper, crab. I also have here cow feet and beef cooking pieces. And also I'll be using palm cream, palm nuts. And also I have here 2 tomatoes, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 2 large onions, dry fish, salted fish, tomato paste. I also have here chopped onions, ginger and garlic, fresh sage and rosemary, and also turkey berries. Onion and garlic powder, Aiden fruits, precursor, Sankofa spice, homemade seasoning, salt, and paprika powder. So to begin with, I'll season the beef with the garlic and onion powder and a pinch of salt. And I'm going to grill it for about 10 minutes before I cook it. And I'll be doing the same with the fish. I'll season with some salt, onion powder, and garlic powder, and I'm going to grill it. So I'll go ahead and transfer it on a baking tray, and I'll be grilling it for about 10 to 15 minutes together with the fish. So I'll go ahead and blend the ginger, garlic, onion, the fresh sage and rosemary. I'll go ahead and add it to the meat. I'll also add the chopped onions and the tomato paste. I'll add in a little bit of water. also a pinch of salt and the Sankofa seasoning powder. And also the homemade spice and the paprika powder. I'll also add the salted fish. So I'm going to cook it on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. And I'll stir it very well. So I'll now go ahead and boil the turkey berries, tomatoes and the scotch bonnet pepper. And at this point, I'm going to add the crab. So I'll go ahead and mix the palm nut cream with hot water, and I'll be adding it to the soup. So I'll be straining the soup with a strainer, because sometimes it has some small particles inside. So I'll gradually strain the palm nuts cream. So I'll stir it very well and I'll let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I've already blended the tomatoes, turkey berries and the habanero pepper, and I'm going to strain it into the soup. And I'm going to give it a stir. I will now add in my dry fish. And also the grilled fish. So I'll now char grill the Aiden fruit a little bit, and I'm going to wash and add it to the soup. And at this point, our palm nut soup is all done. So I'm going to have the palm nut soup with fufu, but you can also have it with yam, emuto, rice balls. So I already have my plantain and cassava, and I'm going to boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after 10 to 15 minutes, it's all done. Now I'm going to go ahead and pound the plantain first. So this is a local way of pounding fufu. And if you have enjoyed watching this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So I'll now transfer the plantain into a bowl, and I'll go ahead and pound the cassava. So yeah, let's enjoy this pounding fufu. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe. So I'll be pounding it to a very smooth texture. And at this point, I'm going to add the plantain to combine well with the cassava. So our fufu is done and it's ready to be served. And as you can see, it's looking nice and smooth. Yes, so this is how we pound fufu locally in Ghana. And I'll be serving the fufu with inside this earthenware, which is locally used in Ghana. So yes, our palm nut soup is done. It's looking nice and delicious, and I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Yes, so if you have learned a thing or two, or it have helped you in any way, this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. So thank you all so much for watching. And also I do catering for parties, birthdays, so in case you want to order food, I'm available to do that for you. So yes, thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.